Hello and welcome to Zeb's Cars Detailing. In today's video content, I do have a very nice modified T5 transporter. So it's here to do a full detailed inside and out. So yeah, I thought I will do this content. But before I start washing the car, I think it's best if I show you the condition of the car, or of the van, as it is, so you can see before and after effects of the car, being pristine washing sort of condition. So yeah guys, this is the car, the transporter I'll be showing you now, and here she is, guys. So VW Transporter T5. He has spent thousands of pounds on his car, but I'll let you know after that. Before, I thought it's best to show you how dirty the car is really. The wheels need a real deep clean. You can see all the dirt and grime inside the spokes are just filthy. It just needs a real deep clean, which I have a product for that, so that'll be pretty much in brand new sort of condition, or as close as I can sort of get. But if I zoom out, this is how it looks. I mean, you can't see the clarity of the dirt and grime that's bonded to the paintwork. So yeah, this is the bonnet, is fairly clean, but only I can see it in sort of real time. It might be a bit hard to see through my content. I'm going to go on the back, just give you an idea. Yeah, even the back wheels, you can see, I don't know what that is, but that will be clean. There's nothing too serious. Yeah, wow, okay. It's all black, so that needs to be a proper deep clean. But yeah, he has spent a lot of money on this car. You can see, I think there's 6-part calipers. Yeah, so I'll let you know all the description of how he modified the vehicle at the end of the video. But yeah guys, this is the transporter. It's in pride and joy. This is daily, and he just doesn't have time to get it washed. So yeah, very fortunate to have this actually. Again, the wheels, and yeah, that's just dirt and grime. That'll come off. It just needs a general tidy up, clean up of this modified transporter really. So that's from the outside. I'm just going to show you the inside, because the inside is quite amazing what he has done. So he's fitted the RS3 custom made seats with a two-tone sort of effect, which I quite like. He even fitted a new steering as well from a facelift VW Golf. So, and he has a DVD player. So it's quite remarkable what he's done. Spent a lot of time and money on this car, on this van, sorry. This is the inside. It's just needs let me say it again. It just needs a general tidy up. There's a dog hair as well, which that can be, easily being cleaned with the cleaning products I have. So yeah, this is the inside of the interior, which I do love actually. He has kitted this out to the max. But if you go on the back, it's going to open. Oh yeah, another quirky thing he's done. That's not a key to open the boot. That's actually a not CCTV. It's a reversing camera fitted on here. So very clever idea to do that really. Yeah, this is basically what I'm showing here. This is a fitted, custom made chair. Not sure if I can show you as much, but yeah, that just zips on and the seat just drops on. But I want to show you the modification we've done to the speakers. So he has fitted some amazing sound system, and you can hear a mile away. But yeah, I thought I just wanted to show you the system and the subs he's fitted. Yeah, it's quite remarkable. The sound is just amazing. So I'm going to close that like so. Yeah, oh yeah, another thing, it's on airlift, so yeah, it's air ride suspension, which ain't cheap, very expensive. And I did mention earlier, he has spent some, you know, some real money on this van. I do love the steering though. It just looks so updated. I know the normal or the standard T5 have a, you know, a basic steering wheel, but what he's done here is quite remarkable. It looks quite stunning actually, you know, for the Pioneer sound system. So yeah, this is pretty much kitted out T5 transporter with the custom made RS3 seats. So I've got the black and the orange two-tone combination. But yeah, I do love it. I mean, I'm a car guy, and what he's done here on the transporter is just something else. So yeah, this is just a little background. I thought to show you a content of the T5. So I'll be spending pretty much a good few hours getting it cleaned, washed and prepped and so on. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the content, guys. I'm going to start getting it washed, and hopefully yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of Zeb's Cars detailing. So this is a transporter. I managed to park it underneath the gazebo because it's raining like typical British summer. So I managed to get it washed. This is not machine polish, by the way. This is just a hand wash I did, and I don't use cheap products, guys. You know me, I use Maguire's or anything above. But you can see the reflection is very clear. It's very smooth paintwork. I can't see any sort of, you know, any roughness. It's pretty much in a, you know, A condition, you can say. Sorry I can't do the video outside because it won't look good. I will try my best if we can do a quick video shot of the 360 view. Hopefully if it doesn't rain as bad, but I thought I'd just do it inside just to give you an overall look. The wheels, they are pretty much in mint condition almost. Owner did say he's gonna get them refurbed at some point, so he's not ready, you know, to bother to get it clean. But I managed to get all the dirt inside the spoke, inside the wheel, all cleaned up. So that's all good, nice and shiny. If I go along the side here, again the wheels are pretty mint, and I have to say it's in mint condition. There's not a single dirt. I managed to remove all the dirt that was embedded onto the spoke. You can see here, guys, it's almost brand new. But again, the owner said he's gonna get it refurbed, so he's not too bothered. But you can see the paintwork, guys. Even though it's cloudy and it's raining, you can just about see me waving hello. So it is a very good little project, really. So I'm not sure if I can squeeze in from here, but I'll try my best, guys. But I'll go along the side so you can see the quality of the paint and the polishes that I used. And again, the wheels. And bear with me, guys, I'm in a tight space. I'm going to show you the inside of it. So this is the interior of T5 Transporter. These seats are custom made, so he chose like an orangey, bit of a darkish color, and a grey sort of sort of tone. But I'll see if I can show you the bottom. I have cleaned the carpet. I think this angle is better because if I zoom in, guys, you can't see it. So yeah, I've cleaned the carpet, did a deep clean, even did a clean on the doorstep here. But the interior is actually stunning. He has spent a lot of money on the transporter. As you can see, that's the steering that I was mentioning on the earlier video. But it's a very good setup, what he's done to it. And yeah, it took me a lot of time and effort to do it, but I've done it. So just a quick update. On another note, I don't think I'll be able to do a content of the 360V outside. The weather is not looking good at all. And I want the owner to look at the car when it's dried and clean, so you can appreciate more of the work I've done. So apologies. Hopefully when the weather is nice and clean, I will try and do another content of the view from the outside when it's nice and sunny. But yeah, guys, I thought I'd just do an edit and I'll see you soon.